Yes, yes, I can see you. Yes. Okay. So you, as you said that the alias is not working, correct? So can you show me the code? Okay. 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 So okay, I'll do some changes. So let me share my screen. Now here what I do, like I just remove this string here, single quote. This also I'll remove. This is another method of writing this one. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll just put here this dot data. Can you see my screen? This dot data I just put here. Okay. My alias is there, like Sivar fixture Gopi. Gopi is my name of my fixture file. You see, where is the fixture for format? Yeah, Gopi is there. So inside Gopi, I am having email and password. Okay. Now as data as aliases I'm using. Now instead of single quote, I'm writing it this dot data. Now I save it. Now open the terminal npx Cypress open. Checking time to open. Let me close. Was taking time. npx Cypress open. It's fixture example.co. Correct. Where is fixture file now? Yeah, this one. No, see, it's working fine. Okay, so what do you do? Remove this single quote here and just put this dot data, this dot. So can you try it and let me know now? Just share your screen. Gopi, can you share your screen? Okay, yeah, take your time. If you are using aliases now, so no need to use fat arrow uploader after data. Remove that bracket also, braces. Remove line number 14 also. 14. Yeah. Yeah. And here just write on line number 22 and 23 this dot data, this dot, put this over there. Yeah. Okay. This one is ready for one, correct? You automated yesterday assignment. What? No, no. What I'm saying, you try this one in your assignment. Let me know like where you get the error. Yeah. Because this one we have done yesterday. It's working fine for us while putting the single code, correct? Yeah. So it's working fine, no problem. But I want to know. Okay, do one thing. Go to your code. What happened? Copy. You remove that line number 6, no? No need to write on the very define info. Remove info also. Save it and run it. Okay. Show me. Code. Show me the code. Your fixture file is in before hook. See where fixture example is your fixture as data. Its aliases. Okay. Now I close it. Yeah, I'm just comparing it. My code also is working same. Code is same, but you are getting data is not undefined, correct? This is dot data dot email. This is dot data dot password. Okay, do one thing. Can you do one thing like Siva dot visit? Can you put in line number 20? Let me check what happened now. Line number 20. Yeah, that's line number 8 in before, no? Can you remove that one from there? Yeah, yeah, control X. Yeah, remove that one. Save it and run it. Okay, can you close this test run and open and try? Okay, now open it once again. Hmm. Okay, let me share my screen and check it out at your end. Oh, can you see the screen? Okay, okay. Gobi, just you have written this function or callback function here in the block function, na? Okay, now see my code. Several fixture, Gobi is my fixture name as data. So I use here cvar or get uh, like this type this dot error dot email this dot error dot password. Now I run this one. The same fixture example dot js. See my file name fixture example dot crs. See, it's working fine at mine. Can you see? abc gmail.com, and this was a password. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll, yeah, pardon. Okay, okay, show me a JSON file. Okay, okay, okay. This is your assignment, yes, correct? Show me your screen. Let me check your JSON file. You also facing the same, Femina? Yeah, whenever you define a fixture, no, like copy define fixture line number 18. So that's the reason. So remove that fat arrow because fat arrow is not supported this fixture. So we have to write on function over there. Yeah, now it will work. Save it and run it. Correct. So like if you are using fixture inside your it block, then no need to use fat arrow. Instead, you can use function. No, it's for fixture. Yeah, it works because we use a single string, single quote. Okay, okay, for then it's working fine, correct? Okay. Can you run this one? Yeah, for then it's working fine. Okay, when you use as LSS, then you can use function. Okay. So now today we learn the important concept custom command. Okay. Let me share my screen. Can you see my screen now? So what I'll do, I'll copy this code. So we use fixture. Uh, Try to use fixture as well as custom command. And let's see what happened. What the result we are getting now. So basically, okay. First of all, I create one file by the name of custom command. So GUI dot. Now I save. I create one file. So basically, if I want to explain you the on notepad, see press custom command. Okay. So custom command means what, you are creating your own command. You are creating your own command to use. Okay. So to use anywhere in the script. So basically, what is the use of this custom command? Okay. So what happen if you have one line of code, like you have 10 line of code, 10 lines of code you have. Okay. So like you have one code, like it has each if it has each iterator, and you're writing. Okay. So you have this line of code, 10 line of something code. And this line of code is using like oftenly you can use this one. Okay, so what you do instead of writing again and again, you create one custom command and you just call this command, so it will run, and just change the value accordingly. Okay, so the basic idea of using custom command is to save your time by writing the script again and again. Okay, so once you create your script, you just call that custom command anywhere whenever you need it. Only change the parameter or whatever argument you're passing, just that please change that one. So it's a custom command. Are you getting me? Okay, so let me explain you where to save or where is the custom command is. So when you go to fixture like left side in Cypress folder, you can see one folder support. Can you see support folder? Inside support, you can see command.js. Open this command.js. So here you can see one parent command, child command, dual command, or this one is override an existing command. So we'll see one by one. Today we'll see the parent command, how it works. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just copy this one. I'll just paste it here. Now see here, when you are writing the parent command in custom command, so the syntax is Cypress dot command dot add. Okay, and this is your custom command login. Can you see login? It's a custom command, and this one is two parameter declared here. Now you can write the code here inside this one. So what I'll do, I'll use this code now, and I write my code. So this one is my code, like I'm passing the data here. So what I'll do, I'll just check this one. First I'll do without using fixture. Okay, I'll pass the data so that it's clear to you how we're passing the data. Okay, so now what I'll do, this one is I'll just put here comment. I don't want this one as of now. Now what I'll do, I'll take this one. This is my locator. I copy it and go to my custom command. This is my custom command, command.js. Paste it here. Now instead of writing this data, I'm just passing the email. Simple email I'm passing here. Email ID and password. Now what is there afterward? This one I have to pass. So this is your code, login code. Got it? Now I want to pass my email ID and password. So how to pass? So your custom command name is what? Login. Can you see this one? This is a custom command. Yeah. So you just do one thing. Create one it block here. It learning custom command. Okay. This is your fat arrow operator function. Now your custom. Okay. You just need one visit cy.visit here. Okay, so I don't want this fixture as well. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll just create one custom command cy.login. This is my custom command. Okay, now I just pass my values here. Whatever the values I'm having, I'm just passing that one, so it will go there. Got my point? So what is my email? If I go to this copy fixture file, copy, yeah. So this is my email ID. Copy this one. Go to command, custom command. Just Okay, I'm doing here. Oh no, this one is an example of fixture. Okay, so I comment here. No need to comment here. Okay, remove this one. Remove this block from here. You have to do this here only. Now, because this is the custom file, I give comment here. Okay, now to copy. Yeah, copy this one. Go to just command. This is your first argument, comma. This is your password. Copy here. Now these two values I am going to pass. These two values I am going to pass here. Okay. Now you can see here I am getting a three dot here. Can you see three dot? So it says that property login may not exist on type. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll just check it out. It's showing me login is not. I'll just put it double N login. Let me do. Yeah. Now it's gone. Now run it. Custom command.js. Now run it. What happened? Okay, line number 8. Custom command.js. Did you see what I have done? What I have done? I created one custom command. Okay, this code I have written in the custom command, and I'm just passing my values here, username and password from here. Username and password. So it will go to command.js because I've changed my custom command name is login. Can you just put your phone on mute? My voice is repeating. Yeah. So if you see carefully here, you'll find that I have changed my custom command to login. I put double N here. So if you see carefully, inside this custom command, I can say login, cy.login, and I'm passing two values here, username and password. So it will go to this custom command. Username is email, and its password. It will come here, and we create this one. So this 4 line of code, like if you need it, there's no need to write again and again. Only next time what you do, if you have to write automate this one, and if you find that you're automating on Facebook login page, but your username and password is different. So at that time what you do, you just go to your file, instead of writing this email, change your email ID and password and send it to login custom command. So the code is the same, only you're passing the different username and password. So this is very handy. You can use more frequently, and like if you have a line of code 10 or 20 line of code, there is no need to write again and again. Suppose if there is no custom command, so what do you do? For each time you have to write this line of code again and again for different ID and password. Okay, so here if you know that you're automating the Facebook, but your ID is going to change, you have to log in with some another ID. At that time you can use custom command. So I hope you understand how to use custom command, how to pass value. Now unmute and ask me any question if you have. Yeah, good question. See, if I remove this one login, okay, they're telling me like property login may not exist on type. So it's comparing with log is declared. So instead of that, you can create your own, like if still you can write on your Facebook login page, Facebook login. like this. Copy this one, go to your commandos, write on here. Yeah, now see, you will not get any 3 dot here. It's comparing with log, that's the reason. Okay, now what I'll do, now this will be without fixture. I am sending this value to custom command. Okay, now what will you do, I'll try to use fixture now. Yeah, yeah, this is our locator, no? Yeah, this one is email. Yeah, you can change to any email. You can change. Yeah, yeah, it's a name given by you. Email data like this. Okay, whatever you're passing now, it will come here. You can change it accordingly, but this one, don't change this one. This is a locator. Yeah. So what I'll do now, I use with fixture. Let's see what happened now. This one, exactly. Yeah, yeah, exactly. It's up to you. And the most good part is, like, there is no need to use the export or import, because it's already by default custom command is there. Otherwise, what happen when you use the page object model form? Okay, so when you are creating the two files, so if you want to have that file in that another file, so you need to write on export, and in another file you have to write on the import. Okay, but in custom command there is no need to write import and export. By default you will get the result. Line number third. Yeah, exactly, you can just put here. Okay, or else you can create, your own new custom command, right, by writing like this custom. Again, change the new custom command here and have your own code of line. You try it at your end with different scenario. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll use fixture now and see the result. Now instead of writing this abcd, so what I'll do, I'll just use the fixture now. I remove this one and I remove this. Also, I don't want this fat arrow now. Now what I'll do, I'll just write on here this dot email, data dot email, comma, this dot password. Okay, now I'm using fixture and passing the data. Let me check it's working or not. So it's working fine. Can you see? Hello? Yeah. So either you can pass the data directly or you can use fixtures to custom command. Yeah. So see what happened. Like if you have, can you just put your phone on mute? Yeah. See, like if you have like around 10 lines of code, okay, and you don't want to write that line of code again and again. So Cypress given to us one custom command scenario. Like in this, if you go to support folder left hand side, you will find command.js file. So go here and you can see here you can different type of custom command. You can find parent one, child one, dual command, override. We'll see one by one. So today we are going to see parent command. Okay. So what happen if you have that line of code, if you think that it's repeating again and again, okay, and if you think like that, if you use the email ID and password but the code is same, so at the time you can use this custom command. The main motto of writing custom command is to get rid of writing the code again and again. This is the basic thing. Okay, now I have written this line one, two, three line of code. Okay, and this one is I required every time. So what I have do, I created one custom command. So the way writing custom command is write on cypress.commands.add. This is the format of writing custom command. Cypress.command.add. Now your this is your custom command. Facebook login. You can change it according to you. And whatever with the data, like the parameter you have to pass or have, so write on email and password. Two parameter you are sending, so write on this one email and password. In this fat arrow operator in curly braces, you can just write the code of line. So whatever you're passing email, it will come here. For password, it will come here. It will go to this locator again. This password go to this locator and it will print. Second thing is how to pass this data. So go to your custom command main file where it block is there. So we created fixture file with aliases. So when you are dealing with aliases, don't write fat arrow, write on the function. Now here, this is your Facebook page. You are visiting that one. Now this is your Facebook.login, like cy.log Facebook login page. This is important one. You have created this custom command. To go here, command.js, you can see the same one, Facebook login. The command name should be the same. Okay. Now this one's in one line of code, you are passing this data from fixture, email and password, and this will go to your command.js file. It will print it here. So while you are using command.js, there is no need to use export, import keyword like that. Okay. So this is the flow of this one. So I hope that you understood how to use that one. Okay. So can you create one custom command in front of me? Yeah, I just check it out how you are doing. Stop sharing. Yeah. Do you want the line of code? If you want, I can share you the code. Okay, you try. Let me know then. Okay, share your screen. Yeah. Are you sharing screen? Webinar copy. Okay. Thanks. Great, good. It's working fine, correct? Okay, great. So I think you you got the idea how to use custom command, correct? Yeah. So do practice with this command. Do the same thing. Use the fixture with custom command and automate some 2 to 3 pages online. Having 10 to 5 search boxes, different kind of locators and all. So you will get practice. Yeah. So I hope you enjoy learning. So we'll meet on tomorrow the same day. Okay. Yeah. Tell me, Bobby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We haven't covered that one. We haven't covered that radio button. We haven't covered that check boxes and static one. So likewise, what we did after drop down dynamic, we do fixture and custom command. This is important topic. So the rest is very easy. Static and radio. We'll cover that one also. No problem. Don't worry. Okay, okay. No, we'll cover that one also. No problem. It's very easy. Yeah. Okay, then tomorrow we'll see that one. Just remind me. Okay. We'll tomorrow we'll see the static drop down, how to automate static drop down, how to automate the radio button and checkboxes. Okay. Yeah. Okay then. Bye. Bye. Take care. Thank you. Most welcome.